Hi guys, it's me, Sophie from Sophie-World.com. For a while now, I have been posting little boredom busters on Instagram, and my team thought it would be fun to just put them all together and call it 5 minutes of fun. So here you go, 5 minutes of fun. Okay, this is a housekeeping boredom buster, and it's great for laundry day. Okay, so if you've got mounds and mounds and mounds of clean laundry, this is a great game to play. So what you do is set your players all around the big pile of laundry, and then you yell out an item like t-shirt, and everybody runs, grabs a t-shirt, folds it as nice and neatly as they can, and places it in their pile. And then you call out socks, and they have to go in, and they have to find a pair of socks, and they have to match the socks, and fold them, and put them back. Jeans, you get the idea. So it's a fun way to get all of your laundry folded. Then the only thing you gotta do is sort it by size. Today is mirror mazes. So what you want to do is either go to the web and download and print a simple maze, or draw one like this yourself. And then what you want to do is you actually want to hold it up to a mirror, and looking in the mirror, you want to try to follow the pattern of the maze and try to get from one side to the other. You're going to find it's harder than it looks. So that's called mirror mazes, and it's actually really, really fun. Today's boredom buster is called Racing Clouds, and I bet you can guess what it's up to. All right, so basically you go outside. You need a beautiful day for this, like it is today here in San Francisco. You just need to go outside, find yourself a spot where you can see the clouds. Now, what you want to do is find two clouds that are kind of side by side, and you want to set yourself a finish line, and then see which cloud races across that finish line before the other. Today's boredom buster is called Descriptive Drawing. So for this, you're going to need 2 pads of paper, 2 pens, and 1 friend. First thing you want to do is draw something on your paper. Now don't let your friend see, because your job is now to describe to your friend what you have drawn, just using words, and see what they come up with. Here's an example. Draw a line. In the middle of that line, draw a square. In the middle of that square, draw a rectangle. In the middle of the rectangle, draw a square. On either sides of those rectangles, draw 2 squares. Divide those squares into 4. On the top of the square, put a triangle. In the corner of the triangle, put a rectangle with a cloud on top. Now this is what I was trying to describe. And probably you might have ended up with something that looked like this. That means I need to work on my descriptive skills. Today's boredom buster is called Water Balloon Eraser. What you're going to need is some chalk and a bunch of water balloons and a bunch of friends. So what you do is you go outside, and on the macadam or the driveway or wherever you are, draw a bunch of pictures, a monster for each person, or a animal for each person, whatever it is that you want to draw. Everybody should draw their own. And then set everybody equidistance from their picture and give them a bucket of water balloon. Now what they've got to do is use their water balloons to erase the drawing that's on the ground. So you get the point, right? They're standing there, they toss their water balloons, it goes woo, and it erases the picture. So it takes a while to do, and it's super, super fun. I promise you everybody will get wet, but unlike a water balloon fight, no water balloons to the head that cause tears. Chore Olympics. What you're gonna do is take all those chores that need to be done and turn them into Olympic events. Now, doesn't matter how you do it. You can do like the dishwashing competition, or you could do the laundry folding competition, or you could do like a decathlon and have it kind of be like, you know, one of those obstacle courses where you go from one thing to the next thing to the next. Now, the most important thing is you have got to show everybody how to do each event, right? So not only are you showing everybody and getting one part of it done, but then they have to do it as well to make sure that they know how they're doing it before the competition even begins. Now, it's best if you have a commentator, you know, because that makes it really super fun. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com. Thank you so much for watching, and know that my wish for you is that you stay safe, stay healthy, stay creative.